everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to hear monthly updates and more oracle readings. I have also put a wishlist link in the description section below, and your contribution would help me to build more content and support my practice. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. Let's move to the main theme. We have strength here. This card surely suggests that your own inner strength is being put to the test. So it does suggest you to calm down and not react to a situation. No matter how dreadful the situation is, no matter what is going on, this card is reassuring you that you do have the inner strength at your disposal to handle the situation and to survive through it. Strength is telling you to feel the fear and do it anyway. In relationship, this card could also mean that you're unable to balance both work and home. And this card may be telling you to seek out the balance as you may be probably just burning out. Let's move to what you need to release. So we have Six of Cups and Wandering Path. With Six of Cups here, some of you may be feeling very nostalgic and reminiscing the old days. You may be getting lost and you may not be feeling that inspired. You may be thinking the old days were better than today. So you're not finding your future or your present that inspirational for now. But this oracle card over here is telling you to be present in your journey. Embrace that you encounter on the path and accept what it is. Trust there is a plan for your life and it's unfolding perfectly. Let's move to what's coming new this month. We have Ace of Cups and New Life. Beautiful combination. I think this just affirms all the troubles that you're facing will be taken care of. You will find that fresh energy to fight through your dilemmas. New Life is all about renewing yourself, rebooting yourself, getting a fresh chance in your life. There could be birth of new ideas. There are growth opportunities coming. For singles with Ace of Cups over here, it could even mean new love entering your life. Irrespective, Ace of Cups is all about compassion. It's all about joy and creativity. So Ace of Cups is giving you that assurance of feeling emotionally fulfilled. So if you're looking out for a job, you will get the job that you love and you're really passionate about. If you're looking for a new love to come in, singles, this is a good news for you. If you're looking for new energy in your old relationships, then you have it with the combination of this card. So be it married couple, be it the relationships that you treasure, be it your friends, family, loved ones, siblings, children, you will actually experience a new energy in your relationship. Definitely a very auspicious combination where it comes to relationships. and where it comes to following your passion and dreams. So let's move to the first half of the month. We have Nine of Swords and Justice. Some of you may be going through some kind of a mental anxiety. There is balance being threatened by your negative thoughts. You need to make some choices and decisions which will make you feel a little depressed and anxious. With Justice over here, along with Strength, make sure that you're adhering to the policies and also keep a tab on any change in the policy which you may not be aware of, be it at work or wherever you stay. The laws may be getting stricter around the area you work in. So be sure that you're following the compliance guidelines. I too see some kind of separation. I see some people may be going through a divorce, and which is what is giving them a lot of anxiety, and of course they are not able to handle the situation at this point of time. However, we do have good cards, so you will come out of it. Then we have Seven of Wands here. Some of you may be getting extra responsibilities at work. Your commitments are demanding more and more time for you, and I think this is what we spoke right in the beginning, wherein we said that there may be an imbalance in work life. So do take care of your health so that you don't burn out. With Seven of Wands here, some of you may also face some kind of a block in their progress. There may be some nagging problems coming your way. You may need to review your plan and probably devise a different approach. Some kind of compromise may be needed. With Justice here, maintain your integrity at all times and deal with the problem bit by bit. Don't be thrown into an open warfare or don't react in an aggressive manner. You would need that inner strength and you would need to tame your inner aggression. So just be cautious, be patient, and be diplomatic. Let's move to the second half of the month. There is Five of Swords and Six of Wands. Five of Swords surely is talking about some kind of a conflict which is getting really unhealthy. There is some kind of an unhealthy competition. There may be somebody who is using your weakness against you. There's somebody who's deliberately trying to hurt you. You may be facing some kind of a humiliation, and someone may even try to put false accusations against you. So surely you may be dealing with some kind of an obnoxious situation or obnoxious people. But with Six of Wands here, you will come out of it beautifully and successfully. Six of Wands is a beautiful card. There is some kind of a recognition coming your way. At the end of the day, you will be declared as a winner. Let's move to the love reading. There is Star and Empress for singles. With Star and Empress together, it surely tells you to keep quality of life as a priority. With Ace of Cups here, there is a new love coming for you singles. In relationship reading, we have Ace of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. So some of you may be even feeling spiritually inclined and take up a ritual or a regime that works for you to have that balance and work upon your inner self, work upon inner harmony. With Nine of Swords, Justice and Ace of Swords, those who have been waiting for a legal separation to happen may hear the good news. and trial would work out in your favor. It's especially a good news and a relief for those who were stuck in an obnoxious relationship. With Ten of Pentacles here, if there was any kind of an alimony issue, that would get resolved. Irrespective, I see abundance in terms of financial security coming in for you. So that's all for now. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Keep watching. Much love.